Cut! We have a letter missing. Do you mean the I? The I is over. What? It's okay. Let's just wait for I to come back so we can do Taylor.